Hello, my name is Álvaro Rojas. I'm a professor and a researcher at Universidad Autónoma de Occidente in Cali, Colombia. And we've been working with the Hyrel System 30M for quite some time. We've been using it for just regular filament printing with the two heads that we got with the machine. And we also got some syringe extruders, and we've used those as a way to print a biogel, to print even some stem cells in order to develop a cardiac patch. The Hyrel System 30M has been a great platform for experiment, for starting research in multi-material printing. It's been great to have flexibility of the modular heads and being able to just start with one extruder, try with two, switch to a different type of extruder, play with biogels. Right now we're using some resin, photosensitive resin, and those syringe extruders along with a UV curing system in order to get some non-traditional 3D printing. So it's been a great research platform for us. We've been using it quite a bit in different projects. Several group of students have come and used the machine. It has always been a great tool, a reliable machine, and a great way to showcase what 3D printing is capable of.